This is Natalie Lucier, and in today's video, you're going to find out what people really think about your website. In fact, you're going to find out what people click on your website and where they actually put their attention. So stick with me and let's get started.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. That's it, now honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eye.
So you'll want to fire up your Google Analytics account, and right here on the left-hand side, you'll want to go under Content and In-Page Analytics. And what that will show up is a view of your website along with these little tooltips that tell you what people are clicking on your website. So as you can see here, people are clicking on about 2.4% of clicks are going to the About page, 8% are going to the Work with Natalie page, 4% on the portfolio, 5% on the website store, less than 1% on speaking, around 5% on the blog, etc. So this is a really great quick overview of where people are going on my website in just an easy to digest form. And if you want to get an even better view, you can click on this color bubbles thing here where it will actually show you from hot to cold where people are actually clicking. So as you can see, Work with Natalie is considered a hot link, and then green is kind of a middle, and so is yellow, and blue is a little bit colder, so there are less people actually clicking on that. So I'm going to actually scroll down a little bit more and show you here that there are other links. So the Irresistible Websites one with the photo of my dog Millie is also a hot link at 8%, and then this other one here is about 5%. And as you can see here at the bottom, Return to the Top of the Page is also pretty popular at 66%. So this again is just for that front page on my website. Okay, so for example, if someone were on the blog page, this will again show you what people are clicking. So here we can kind of scroll through. It'll show that people are clicking on the title of articles and what they're clicking on, the different links that I have as well. So for example, newsletter writing tips, people are clicking on that. And so basically it's just a really easy way for you to see what people are interacting with on your website. And it's just so easy to set up. If you've got Google Analytics set up, then this whole thing is already being gathered for you, and you'll be able to tap into this knowledge right away to decide, maybe you should rename your tabs, maybe you should create more compelling buttons. It'll really give you a lot to go on. So that's it. That's my tip for you this week. Please head on over to natalielucier.com to get more of these techie tips. And if you enjoyed this video, if you got some value out of it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought and tell me which page on your site is getting the most clicks or which area of your site seems to be really hot, because I think we can learn a lot from each other's websites in terms of what works and what doesn't. So thanks again and have a great